Before a customer commits to a job, it's always a good idea to send them an estimate so they know exactly what to expect. In this video, we will show you how to create an estimate in LawnPro from start to finish. To get started, click on the Finance tab Estimates. Then, click on the New Estimate button. First, you can add an estimate title or description. This is optional, but it can help keep things organized. Next, you can add an estimate type by selecting one from the drop-down, or by adding a new one using the plus button. After that, you want to select the customer that this estimate is for. You can select one from your existing customers, or if you need to add a new customer at this time, you can do so by clicking the plus button. If you need to edit your customer info before creating your estimate, you can click the Edit Customer Info button here. If you want to only suggest items and services assigned to the selected property, check this box. And if you want to hide line item prices for the customer, you can check this box. If you have a PO number for this estimate, you can enter it in the PO number field. If you want to add a discount to the estimate, you can enter it in the discount field. Next, start adding your line items. Start by typing the item or service you want to add, and it will auto-populate from your saved item list. If you need to adjust the price from your default, you can do that right here. You'll also select which property this item or service is for. To add more line items, click the plus Add Line Item button and repeat the process for each one. If you have a package of items you want to add all at once, use the Add Package button to drop them in all together. Here's another feature worth knowing about: optional items. You can add optional line items that the customer can choose to include themselves when they review the estimate. If they check the box next to an optional item, the estimate price automatically updates to include it. It's a great way to present upsell options without being pushy. This feature is only available in some plans or as an add-on feature. Once your line items are set, you can add or update your terms and notes. If you've set up default terms and notes in your settings, they'll already be filled in here. You can edit them for this specific estimate if needed. If you want to attach any photos or documents, like photos of the property or a scope of work, drag and drop them into the upload area or click Select Files to select a file from your device. You can check if you want these images to be transferred to visits or invoices created from this estimate. You also can add internal notes that only your team will see. Customers cannot see anything entered in this field. Finally, if you use custom fields, you can fill those in at the bottom. When everything looks good, click the green Save Estimate button. Your estimate is ready to send to the customer. The customer can then approve it, decline it, or request changes from their end. We also have a new required deposit feature. You can choose a percentage or dollar amount. This will prompt the customer to add a deposit when accepting the estimate. This deposit will then be applied to the invoice created from the estimate or can be turned into a credit to be used where needed. There is a whole other video on that.